Hey guys, back with another What's in a Box video. I'm going to open this one. You'll see what I see when I open it. This one's the ZZ Top Eliminator. I believe that was based off the 1933 coupe. So, let's see what's in there. Never good. Sometimes try to save the plastic, but let's get rid of it. Of course, you're going to be difficult. Here we go. Alright, looks like straight out of the bag, we have the glass. Looks good. Tires. Let's see what's in there. Good tread pattern. Like nice thick tires. Alright, bag number one. Lots of styrene. Of course, we got the body. I see some definite mold lines, but looks like some light prep work will take care of that. The top. Wow, big mold line there. Of course, the fenders. Not too bad. I don't see a lot of flash, though. Looks good. Got the hood, trunk, seats, body pan. And of course, Revell always does a pretty good job on their parts. I really like building Revell products. Interior, more parts of the side of the hood, door panels. Yeah, looks pretty good. Looks like a fairly simple model, which I don't mind though sometimes. Take a little break, you know, from the super complex ones. Chrome tree. Got our grill, nice chrome headers. Love the wheels. Straight front end. Full chrome exhaust. We'll change that a little bit up. We'll hit this with some, what you call it? Dull coat. Of course, Revell's awesome directions. I love them. They're clear. They're straight to the point. Paint codes, things like that. I'm a big fan of Revell. What they got for decals? Let's see here. Well, not a lot. The graphics looks like seat covers. That's all you get. Again, ZZ Top Eliminator by Revell, 1933 Ford Coupe. Looks awesome. I'm excited to build this one. Thanks guys for watching.